Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how to harvest vegetable, already grown vegetable. You can see it being harvested and it's very fantastic. And you may ask, why harvesting this vegetable? It's good. If you harvest your vegetable, I said it before in the previous video, that it encourages bushier growth. They keep growing once you harvest them, and it's very, in fact, fresh vegetable from the garden. You know how sweet it is when you mix the vegetable with other ingredients like egusi and other things. In fact, very enjoyable. Then this vegetable was grown some weeks ago or months ago. So the essence of harvesting is to get the vegetable more growing. Then there is the benefit of even the money that will be get out of this thing. They have sown the seed, the plant, and now it's time for them to enjoy the fruit of their labor. Then you might ask, are they harvesting it and giving it out for free? No, it is for it to be sold. So you can see how it is. Economy is bad. But some people are making their money planting what they like planting and harvesting it, making their money. So next time, think about it. That money you are taking to the market, buying all these things, why can't you plant them by yourself? And I know what you are thinking of. A space for Lagos. There is no space. How will I plant all these things? But I will tell you the truth. You can plant this on container. And I know another question you ask me, or what to be thinking of. Container, they are very, very expensive. Yes, they are expensive. But if I tell you the truth now, with polythene bag, do you know you can plant this thing? It's very simple. I have been talking about container gardening. Look at just fresh vegetable. Very, very fresh. You can use container. I remember when I told you before that when I planted this in the first time, I did not spend up to 1,000 naira to grow all this, and I enjoy it. The container alone, I told you I bought them 300 naira. Then the seed, the soil, and everything, and I got my delicious vegetable very at the tip of my fingers. See, economy is bad. Fine, we can do something about it. Let's encourage container gardening. Let's plant things in container, and at the very short period of time, you start harvesting this type of vegetable. You can see people from far coming here to get vegetable. It's wonderful. What you can plant at your doorstep, in your balcony or your patio. In fact, I give hands to container gardening. You can do this in a very small space. In fact, this is fantastic. You can see they are being packed inside a sack to be sold to customers. Very, very fantastic. You can do this as well. Forget about space. Space is not a problem. I will see you once. I will teach you how to do this in a container. If you enjoy this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe for more videos. The owner is taking his vegetable down to be sold. You know how much this thing costs in the market. So let's keep doing the good work. Let's keep planting. You can't tell. You can sow, you can harvest for your family, and also sold to people. Just small container, polythene bag, all these things will be planted. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Happy gardening.